Across America, a fire breaks out once every 40 seconds. It's a constant threat to every part of our daily lives, and little can be done to stop its rampage of destruction and devastation. We all bear the cost. Over $15 billion annually in loss and damage, 150,000 injuries, and 6,000 lives, all lost to fire each and every year. And what of the family memories that have gone up in flames? These are the real treasures we seek to protect, the treasures of a lifetime that can never be replaced. For centuries, man has tried to control fire, to eliminate the massive destruction caused by its heat and flames. But it wasn't until modern science and technology joined together that this goal would become reality.
Now, after decades of extensive laboratory and field testing by both government and private industry, one fire-resistant product, NoFire, has been proven to be far superior to any other coating on the market today.
NoFire has been developed to provide maximum fire protection for the 98 million structures throughout America. Buildings like our homes and apartments, schools and businesses, hotels and hospitals. This unique spray-on coating responds to heat by swelling up and forming a hard, radiant insulating barrier that will not support fire. Easily applied by trained, certified technicians, this intumescent water-based coating is made of ceramic fibers which have superior thermal properties, high tensile strength, unmatched thermal endurance, and outstanding electrical insulation capabilities. And because it is environmentally safe, the NoFire coating poses no health threat to consumers from toxic fumes or residue. With its 0 rating for both toxicity and flame spread, NoFire virtually eliminates the potential for massive fire-related destruction. But most important, because of its unmatched heat shielding and smoke containment capabilities, NoFire greatly increases the chances for human survival in almost any fire.
To ensure the highest possible performance standards, and to further demonstrate NoFire's capabilities, the product was subjected to a series of rigorous laboratory and field tests.
At the U.S. testing lab in Fairfield, New Jersey, a wide variety of common residential and industrial building materials were selected for side-by-side comparison tests. Each material sample, one coated with NoFire and the other left untreated, was exposed to direct heat up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. In each and every case, NoFire clearly established its superiority for the prevention and control of fire-related damage. Corrugated cardboard is one of the most common materials used for storage containers in virtually every home, office, and warehouse across the country. When exposed to heat, the untreated section was almost immediately engulfed in flames. Within 90 seconds, it totally collapsed. In comparison, the NoFire treated sample showed no evidence of fire spread, and when the coating was scraped away, there was no structural damage to the cardboard. The test of ceiling tiles showed that the untreated tile actively supported and spread the fire within seconds of exposure to direct heat and flames. Within 2 minutes, it was fully engulfed, while the coated tile remained intact long after the other sample had been destroyed.
Aluminum siding is widely used on the exterior in both residential and commercial construction. When exposed to direct heat and flame, the uncoated siding blistered almost immediately. Seconds later, it burned through. And after 4.5 minutes, the inner plywood was burning and the aluminum panel had warped. When the flame was removed from the NoFire treated section, the coating was scraped off, revealing no blistering or other fire-related damage.
Cedar wood shingles are considered a severe fire risk in many parts of the country. They often act as kindling for a fire and can be easily ignited by flying embers. In a side-by-side test, the untreated shingle was almost instantaneously engulfed in flames and shooting off potentially dangerous embers. In comparison, the NoFire coating completely protected the treated shingle from any fire damage or flame spread. In many residential and industrial fires, more lives are lost because of toxic fume and smoke inhalation than from the heat or flames of the fire. One of the major contributors to these poisonous and oftentimes fatal fumes are plastic products such as PVC pipe and ducting, which are some of the most common materials used in today's construction. In a side-by-side test of PVC pipe, the untreated sample was flaming and emitting large volumes of highly toxic gas almost immediately after exposure to direct heat. 20 seconds later, it completely burned through and finally collapsed. Even after continuous exposure to the heat and flame, the NoFire coated pipe remained undamaged and, most important, never gave off any toxic smoke. 2 identical model homes were constructed for testing. Crumpled up newspaper and sections of PVC pipe were placed in both houses to act as fuel for the fire. Within moments after the fire started in the untreated house, the flames moved quickly up and out from the fire's point of origin, with the intense heat igniting all available fuel in the adjacent room. In the NoFire treated home, the coating contained the heat and fire so that there was no flame spread to other areas of the house. Once the fuel was consumed, the fire literally burned itself out.
With the residential application of NoFire representing a substantial market opportunity, additional field tests were conducted to further verify the performance of the product.